All right, here we are back for another installment. As you can see, we got the Superman Seahawk logo up front for the fan grill, and you're about to see all the mods installed. And here we go. Anything you want to add to this before we start, Jack?
I just think you guys waited patiently. We hope that here we go. This is what we've really been wanting to show you and get into the case. So here we go. Hope you like it.
Go Hawks.
Go Hawks.
All right, as you can see, we got Russell Wilson, number 3 fan grill up here, up on top. He's all lit up real nice. And we got a number 12 for the water cooler block. And here we go. The SSD cover, the 12th PC. And here we go. The Beast Mode GPU cover.
Beast mode.
Beast Mode!
Yeah.
And the Infinity Mirror.
Infinity.
Now, the Infinity Mirror is a little hard to tell, but you can see it's doing its shape. But it does say EVGA 1080 Ti right over here, which you can barely see flashing, so I excuse the lighting. It's very hard when you got flashing lights.
Cables.
Our cable combs came in. We do got some more combs coming that are going to be a little bit fancier design.
They're green.
They're going to be green, so it's going to give us a little bit more detail on there. And yeah, this is turning out pretty good. Anything you want to add, Jack, before we sign off?
Real quick, I'm going to flip her around.
All right.
You guys, I think a lot of people like what we've done to the back side, so I always like to kind of show it off. And also, I must have hit power.
Yeah.
Oh well, but there we go.
We added the strip got added to the top up here, so we got this all taken care of, and it's all set and done.
Oh, there we go. Woo! You guys all see that?
Okay, yeah. Well, that's a good one. So we'll maybe.
Yeah, it was the power supply.
All right. So go ahead and leave it off for a minute,
Yeah,
and we're gonna go ahead and sign off, and we're gonna button up for the day, and we'll be back for another installment later on. Thank you.